Well, hello there, and welcome to the channel. So today is the first day when it's actually been nice. Yeah, baby, no top on. Yeah, it's a day for cleaning, shoemaking. Just give us a little tour of the boat. Rolling, furling jib. Needs a bit of a clean, but she's not too bad. Fore hatch. Get all the hair clean. Mast. I'll tidy all that up. All them lines tidy. To do a bit of a number on this. Mast block, I think, maybe. I don't know what you call it. Maybe we'll put the main sail back on today. But really, it's just a cleaning day. My old friend Peter's down below.
Yeah.
Having a little nap.
Hello.
Yeah, napping. So, yeah, good day. Good day to be alive today. It's a good day to be alive. There we go.